Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny and this is Simple Drinks. Today we're going to make one more cocktail from the iced tea family of cocktails. It's called Beverly Hills Iced Tea. It's simple to make, nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated. It's delicious, it's refreshing. So without further ado, let's make Beverly Hills Iced Tea. So we're going to start with gin, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils. Followed by vodka, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Next up is triple sec, 1 ounce, 30 mils. Followed by half an ounce or 50 mils of lime juice, fresh squeezed. And 15 mils, half an ounce of simple syrup. You can use rich 2-to-1 or just 1-to-1, whatever we got at hand. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Smells nice. Now we need a tall glass, fill with ice. And strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Now top it up with sparkling white wine of your choice. I'm going to use Prosecco. And garnish it with lime. That's it, ladies and gents. Beverly Hills Iced Tea. Cheers! Oh, it's so good. All these flavors mixed with sparkling white wine. It's amazing. It's tasty, it's refreshing. It's fruity. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Try it. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Beverly Hills Iced Tea. Delicious, refreshing, packs a solid punch, but it's perfect for any occasion. But like always, you know my advice, try it and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.